Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a partition in a Lenovo laptop, especially for Windows 11. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go to your search bar and just type down a disk management. Right? You'll be able to see create and format hard disk partition. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you'll be able to see your C drive from here. All right. So locate C drive. So for most laptops, you only have one drive. So that should be the C drive. Now locate the drive or the partition that got a ton of capacity. Again, this one. Our C drive, this one. Right? Don't mind these things below because I do have multiple drives on my computer. So just right click and then go ahead and click on shrink volume. All right. Wait a bit. So mind the free space right here. All right. You can't shrink a drive that is more than this free disk space right here. So by default, it will give you the available space. But if you want it to be more customized, maybe just 10,000 MB right here. All right. So it says here size of available shrink space in MB. So I'm going to go ahead and add in, or maybe just 5,000. And then click on shrink. Wait a bit. And now you have a allocated space right here under your laptop's disk. So it's unallocated. You won't be able to see it right here under this PC, right? So you're going to want to right click on it and click on new simple volume. Click on next, next, and then assign a letter, for example, Z. Click on next. Format, just leave it as is. Click on next and finish. And then you have a new volume, which is letter Z. Now, when we go ahead and open up File Explorer, here we have it. You can right click and rename it if you want to as well. All right. So that's how easy it is to create a partition on a Lenovo laptop. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.